In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter on Squarespace. By the end, you'll have a clean sign-up form added to your site and tailored to your brand, so you can start collecting subscribers with confidence. Begin by opening your site in the Squarespace editor and navigating to the exact page and section where you want the sign-up to appear. Enter Edit Mode, hover until you see an insert point, and click Add Block. Placing the form near the top of a landing page, inside a featured section, or in the footer are all good options. Think about where visitors naturally pause on the page. Adding the block there can improve conversions. If you don't immediately see the option, look for the plus icon that appears between sections or inside a content area. In the block menu that appears, search for Newsletter and click it. Squarespace will drop a default newsletter block onto the page with a title, description, an email field, and a button. This is your starting point, and everything you see here can be customized. Now, adjust the newsletter to fit your voice and goals. Replace the placeholder title with a clear promise, like what readers will get and how often they'll hear from you. Keep the description concise and benefit focused. Review the fields. Collecting only an email usually converts best, but you can add first and last name if personalization matters for your emails. If you add fields, mark only what's truly required to reduce friction. While you're customizing, confirm where submissions go so signups don't get lost. In the block settings, choose the storage or email list you want to collect into. You can connect a mailing tool or Squarespace email campaigns, so new subscribers are added automatically. Set your success behavior too. Either show a friendly confirmation message or redirect to a thank you page that explains what happens next. Tidy up the button by changing the label to something action-oriented like sign up or join now. In the design or style options, adjust layout, alignment, spacing, and width for balance, and match colors and typography to your brand. Prioritize accessibility with strong color contrast, legible font sizes, and clear labels. Preview on mobile and make sure the form is easy to use with one thumb. When the form looks right, click Done and save. Give it a quick test with a non-critical email to confirm the submission, success message, and list storage are working. That's it. Your newsletter sign up is live, on brand, and ready to grow your audience.